how would you say I have a good sense of humor in Korean? So in today's video, we're going to learn a phrase that describes or evaluates someone's ability or trait or physical condition. So let's get into today's topic. Okay, what we're going to learn in this video is this one. Trait or ability, 이가 좋아요. This expression basically means a trait or ability is good, strong, abundant. Or it can also be translated into someone has a good, strong, abundant trait or ability. And to understand this structure better and to be able to use this structure in your real speaking, let's go over some example sentences. So the first example sentence for this structure is 제 친구는 기억력이 좋아요. My friend has a good memory. If we translate this literally, then it would be as for my friend, his or let's say their memory is good. Some people might already know that this 는 topic particle functions as for. So 제 친구는 as for my friend 기억력이 좋아요. Their memory is good. And that's why this sentence 제 친구는 기억력이 좋아요 is translated into my friend has a good memory. Easy, right? 우리 아빠는, my dad, 우리 아빠는 시력이 좋아요. And 시력 means eyesight or eye vision, the ability to see something. 우리 아빠는 시력이 좋아요. In literal translation, it would be as for my dad, his eyesight is good. My dad has good eyesight. As for my dad, his eyesight is good. 우리 아빠는 시력이 좋아요. Easy again, right? And next one. 선생님은 집중력이 좋아요. And 집중력 means concentration or focus. 선생님은 집중력이 좋아요. In literal translation, as for my teacher, his or her concentration is good. 선생님은 집중력이 좋아요. Next one. 우리 언니는 체력이 좋아요. My older sister has good stamina. In literal translation, as for my sister, her stamina is good. 우리 언니는 체력이 좋아요. But as we go through these example sentences, did you find something in common? I mean, among these 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences? The thing is, the word something 력. For example, 기억력, and it was memory, and 시력, eyesight, and 집중력, concentration, and 체력, stamina. Yeah. And this 력 is a Chinese character that means power. So if you see a word with something 력, then it means power of something. So for example, 기억력 is 기억 plus 력. So 기억 is memory, and 력 is power. So a power or ability to memorize something. And this next one, 시 plus 력, and 시 is also a Chinese character. That means like to see something. So plus 력, which means power. So it means a power or ability to see something. So that's why 시력 means eyesight in English. And the next one, 집중 plus 력. And 집중 means focus or concentration. And 력 means power. Easy, right? A power or ability to focus or concentration. And lastly, 체력. 체 plus 력. And 체 is also a Chinese character, and it means like body or something physical plus 력. It means power. So this means physical power, and that's why it means stamina, a power of the body kind of meaning. So it means stamina. So whenever you see this something 력 structure, then always come up with this power of something. And if you understood this 력 structure, let's move on to the next sentences. Okay, so the next sentence for someone has a good ability or trait is this. 저는 유머 감각이 좋아요. I have a good sense of humor. This was the target sentence of today's video, right? 저는 유머 감각이 좋아요. So in literal translation, 저는, as for me, my sense of humor is good. I have a good sense of humor. 저는 유머 감각이 좋아요. It's easy, right? 유머 감각 means sense of humor. Actually, this humor is one of Konglish words like humor. No, not humor. It's English pronunciation. Humor. Anyway, let's move on to the last example sentence. The last one is 제 친구는 방향 감각이 좋아요. My friend has a good sense of direction. 방향 감각 means sense of direction. So in literal translation, as for my friend, his or her sense of direction is good. So easy, right? And also, did you find something in common between 저는 유머 감각이 좋아요 and 제 친구는 방향 감각이 좋아요? Did you find it? The thing is something 감각. For example, 유머 감각, 방향 감각, or 균형 감각. So this something 감각 means a sense of something. So this 감각 means sense. So 유머 감각 means humor is humor, a sense of humor. And 방향 감각, 방향 means direction. 방향 감각 means a sense of direction. And 균형 감각, 균형 means balance, like physical balance, in this case, a sense of balance. You can use this word, 균형 감각, to a person like who hardly fall down. Did you understand? You understand, right? 유머 감각, 방향 감각, 균형 감각. So whenever you see this something 감각 from now on, you have to come up with the meaning of a sense of something, right? And also trait or ability, 이가 좋아요. This is what we've learned so far. But now we're going to try one more thing which has the opposite meaning to trait ability, 이가 좋아요. And that is trait ability, 이가 나빠요. 나빠요 means something is bad. So basically, trait ability 이가 좋아요 and trait ability 이가 나빠요 has the right opposite meaning. So, can you guess what this trait ability 이가 나빠요 means in English? It means trait or ability is bad, or someone has a bad something, or someone's trait or ability is terrible. But you've got the meaning already, right? Okay, then let's tweak our previous sentences using this one. Trait ability 이가 나빠요. Okay, let's go from this one. 제 친구는 기억력이, do you remember the structure? The power of memorize something, 기억력, memory. 제 친구는 기억력이 나빠요. My friend has a terrible memory. Terrible memory. 제 친구는 기억력이 나빠요. And let's go with this one. 선생님은 집중력이 좋아요. Then now we have to say the opposite. 선생님은, as for my teacher, 선생님은 집중력이 나빠요. 선생님은 집중력이 나빠요. And let's go for this 유머 감각 for our last practice. 저는 유머 감각이 좋아요. And actually that's true. I'm kind of funny man in a good way, and that was a joke. 저는 유머 감각이 좋아요. And the opposite version is 저는 유머 감각이 나빠요. Or you can just say 저는 유머 감각이 안 좋아요. They deliver almost the same meaning. All you have to do is just put a negation marker 안 before this 좋아요. So let's sum up what we've learned through today's video. Okay, so basically what we've learned today was a phrase that describes or evaluates someone's ability or physical condition. And we can say it in Korean, trait ability 이가 좋아요. So 제 친구는 기억력이 좋아요. 시력이 좋아요. 집중력이 좋아요. 체력이 좋아요. 유머 감각이 좋아요. 방향 감각이 좋아요. And also we've practiced the opposite version of 이가 좋아요. And that was 이가 나빠요. 제 친구는 기억력이 나빠요. 집중력이 나빠요. 유머 감각이 나빠요. Okay, that's what we've learned in this video. And please make sure to practice what we've learned today, because without practice, you'll never be using this expression in real conversations. Always practice. Practice, practice, practice. To practice what you learn is way more important than to learn as many expressions as possible without practice. Got it? Got it. Okay, so Leslie, I have one thing that I want to share with you, and that is I just opened a 101 speaking course, intensive speaking training course. So I will make you practice over and over again with a few expressions that you want to master. So yeah, if you're interested in, please pay a visit to my website. You can find the link in the pinned comment of this video or my channel page. So yep, that's about it. And thank you so much for watching today's video, and have a great day.